3-second pause, remember, so that you can hear your heart. 3 seconds, return to no mind, sufferings dissolves into the air. 3 seconds, mind rests peacefully. 3 seconds, avoid insanity. 3 seconds, no words, silence. 3-second delay, find true sutra. Simply practice this way. 3 seconds, slow down. A lifetime of peace.